Things required: I tricolor paper. First we require tricolor paper. If you have not a tricolor paper color like this, you can take a color pencil, color watercolor, and take a white sheet and color it in papers. Color the paper. In lockdown period, we don't go outside the take the paper in the market. Marker, pencil, scissor, and a gum is there for making the peacock. And a small paper we required. First we take the paper and the pencil and the ruler. We will make the mark here. Take the 1 stand distance and make the mark and cut it in square size, and we cut the paper in a triangle shape. As we make the beak here with the help of the cone. You have seen the peanut, you have eaten peanut. The cone is like this. The cone is like this. For the orange shape, we will make the peacock orange beak like this. We will make the beak like this, and we required a blue paper. We will make a peacock body here on this paper. This is the paper. See the center mark. We will draw the half portion. This is the peacock head, and this is the neck, and this is the body of the peacock. We will draw the crown of the peacock like this, and we will draw on the copy. This is the head, neck, and the body is here. We will cut it with a scissor, and we will get the paper like this. This is the half portion. See, half portion. We will cut the paper like this, and we will take the marker pen. We will draw the here eyes, and this side feathers. The mark is there. Some marks are there. Like this we will complete the. Now see here, I have to like this. We will stick the beak here. Keep aside for dry, and we will take the papers. We will stick the papers like this. Strips. We will cut the strips like this. We will cut the strips, and we will join with the Fevicol. Or you can take the paper like this, stick it like this. Like this we will join the paper. After this we will take a fan fold paper. You will do the paper like this way, alongside. Take alongside paper for the fan fold, making the big peacock. We will do the fan fold up like this. We will take the distance like this, and we will make the fan like this. We will join with the Fevicol in the center. In the center we will join the paper. If the papers are not equal size, we will take a scissor and cut it in equal size, and cut the paper in the slant way. You will get the paper like this. See the edges are like this. Like this we will get the feathers, peacock feather. Like this we will get the feathers, and you can take the peacock like this. You will stick the peacock like this. and the second page. Or the other wings like this, and you can join the strips, take the strips or the ribbon or satin ribbon. You can take the any thread is there in your house, thread like this, and or the any color thread. You can stick the for the wall hanging. Take the loop here and just stick with the sellotape or the stapler. Like this we will make the peacock. If you have no, stick the peacock on the color one like this. Like this we will make the peacock. So thanks for watching. Subscribe me for more video. Do like, share. Thanks for watching.